Hi everyone, welcome to Study Maths YouTube channel. I'm hoping to do a video series about equations, and I'm going to cover in this series simple equations, simultaneous equation, and quadratic equations. These are very important lessons in mathematics. So don't worry, I will teach you from very basics to advanced theories and discuss problems with you. And I'm sure that you will be a master in equations after this series. So join with our channel to the end. Simple equation. This is the foundation in all mathematics. So this is very important lesson. So watch until then and I will make you a master in equations. So let's start. So first of all, let's know what is an equation. An equation is a math sentence that shows two sides are equal. That is the definition. So, what is it? An equation is a math sentence that shows two sides are equal. I will teach you from this an example. Okay. For example, 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is an equation. Actually, this is a math sentence that shows two sides are equal. You know the left side. What is the left side value? Is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is 5. Okay. And what is the right side value? This is also 5. So left side and right sides are equal. For to more clarify this, I I will explain from the real life example. Okay. Think an simple think an equation as an balance weight scale. Okay. Balance weight scale. So this is an balance weight scale. Okay. This is 3 and 2 kilograms. This is 5. So this is balance weight scale. Like this. Okay. This is an equation. So I think you all got this. So let's move to next thing, that is variable. Okay. Variable. Before solving equations, you must need to know what is a variable. The definition of a variable is the unknown number in an equation. Usually it's represented by a letter. For an example, x plus 2 equals to 5. In this equation, what is the variable? What is the unknown number which is represented by a letter? It is x, okay? It is x. This is what we need to find in this equation. For another example, take this a minus 3 is to 8. So what is the variable here? It is a, okay? This is very easy. So now let's move to how to solve a simple equation. Solving simple equations. There are two methods that we can use to solve simple equation. Firstly, let's talk about method 1. Method 1 is doing operations to both sides. I will explain you from this example. Take x plus 5 equals to 8. In this simple equation, what is the variable? It is x, okay? So I want you to think solving equation as a game. Our mission is to find the variable. To find variable, we need to get the variable alone from the equal side like this to get a value for the variable. To get a value for the variable, we need to get variable alone. We need to get the x alone. Is x alone in this equation? No. The plus 5 is with x. So to get x alone, we need to remove plus 5. So okay, to remove plus 5 in this equation, remove plus 5 in this left side of this equation, what can we do? Remove plus 5, we need to subtract 5 from the left side. To remove plus 5, we need to subtract 5 from the left side. We know plus 5 gets cut to minus 5. So I told you that equation needs a balance. Right side and left sides are equal. I told you that to think as an equation as a balanced weight scale. So if you did something to left side, we need to do it to right side as well. So need to subtract 5 from the right side as also. So 8 plus 5 is, so x is equals to plus 3. I think you get this one. So I am going for another. I will tell you another example. Take this one. A minus 2 equals 6. Take this example. So I told you to think this as a game. What is our mission? To find A. Okay. To find A, we need to get A alone. Why it is A not alone in this equation? A not alone because of this 2, minus 2. To remove this minus 2, we need to add plus 2 to the left side. You know, if you need, I think as this, if there is a fire, you need to remove this fire. What you do, you add the opposite thing of the fire. What is the opposite thing of the fire? It is water. When you add water, the fire get removed like that. Okay, if you need to minus 2, we add plus 2. I told you that if we do something to the left side, we need to do to the right side as well. So this it cuts a 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, this is very simple. Let's try another example. This is okay. 2x equals 8. What is our mission? To get x alone. Is x alone? No. This is 2x mean 2x is multiplied by 2. Okay. I think you all know that 2x means like that. We write like this as for our easiness. To get this multiple 2, what is the opposite of the multiple 2? It is to remove this multiple 2, we divided by 2 from the left side. We remove divide 2 by from the left side, we need to do it to right side as well. Let's get cut and 8 divide by 2. What is there? It is 4. Okay. Now I think you all got the first method of solving equation. Now let's move to the method 2. This is method 2. It is isolate variable by moving numbers. Actually, I want you to practice this method and use this to solve simple equations, because this method is easy and take less time when comparing with the method 1. So what is this method 2? I will teach you from an example. take x plus 5 equals to 9. Okay. So in this method, what we are doing, you all know that our goal in equation to isolate the variable. Okay, what is the variable? It is x. Okay, now you all know that. So to isolate the variable, we can move plus 5 to the other side. In this method, we are moving the numbers in the variable side to the other side. So what is the number in the variable side? What is, so it is plus 5. Okay, we are moving plus 5 to the other side. So what happened? It's get a low. So we are moving to get x alone. We are moving the numbers in the variable side. Okay, this is what we are doing in this method. Okay, this is easy. Okay, there's one thing. Okay, this is very important. When you are moving, a number to the other side from the equal side, what happened? It operation gets opposite. Okay, so what happened when you move plus 5 to the other side? What is the opposite of the plus 5? It is minus 5. Okay, so what is the answer? 9 minus 5 is 4. So okay, you have to remember this. Okay, so what is the, you all know, I think, what is the opposite of the addition? What is the opposite of the plus? It is minus. Okay, what is the opposite of the minus? It is plus. So what is the opposite of the multiplication? It is division. It is the opposite of the division. It is multiplication. So think as this. Okay, if you don't get this, I think if you want to move something out, what do? You don't
Pull. You push.
like that. Okay, you do the opposite thing. You, you like, you don't say good words, you say bad words, like that. Okay, like that. If you want something to get out, you do the opposite thing, like that. So like that, what happen when the plus 5 goes to the side? It get minus 5. Think as this. Okay, you can remember what happen is minus. What is happen if minus thing goes to other side? It become plus. Okay, what happen, a multiply thing goes to the side, it's become divide. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, get this. So I will tell you another example. 5 minus 3 equals to 7. So you all know that we have to get 5 alone. So what we do? We must move minus 3 to the other side. What happen when minus 3 crosses this equation sign? What happen when minus 3 go to left side from the right side? I told you what, it become the opposite. So operation. What is the opposite operation of the minus 3? It is plus 3. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, so equals 10. Okay, I will tell you another example. Okay, I tell you, x minus 3 equals 7. So in this method, what we are doing? We have to move. There are two numbers in the variable side. Okay, what is the multiplication 2 and the minus 3? So we have to move these two numbers to the other side. So what we are doing? What we do initially? We initially move the minus 3. Okay, what happen when minus 3 move to the other side? What is the opposite of the minus 3? become plus 3. Okay, so what is 7 plus 3 is 10. So still x is not alone. So what happened? Who is with x? 2 is with x. What happened to 2? 2 is multiplied with x. Okay, so what is the operation of the multiplication? It is division. So what happened when the 2 go to the other side? Multiplication 2 go to the other side. It become 10. 10 is divided by 2. Okay, is x equals to 5. You have to remember only one thing. The operation gets opposite. See, that is the thing in this method. Okay, so you have to remember it. So I will give you some examples like this is as a homework. Okay, and I will discuss in a separate in this problems in a separate video. Okay, I will post that. So first question is 3a minus 2 equals 10. A divided by 2 minus 1 is 9. So solve these equations and I will do a separate video. And also, if you have any question, please comment it in the comment section and I will definitely answer. So, so practice this equation because simple equation is the basic of the mathematics. If you can't solve simple equation, actually you can't move forward in mathematics. Okay, so this is very important. So learn closely, and if you have any problem, please comment it in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much.